We will now show how to perform regular battery and alarm maintenance on the security unit. Step 1, unlock and open the unit. The next step is to turn the alarm off by moving the toggle switch to the off position. Next, lift up the 2 plastic tabs at the back of the alarm holder, slide the alarm out. The alarm can now be accessed for battery replacement. If this does not work, a new alarm can be installed at this point as well. The alarm is slid back into the holder. Move the toggle switch to the desired position. Close and relock the unit. If you encounter any issues not covered in these videos, please contact Marketing Impact Limited at the telephone number or email address below.